Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am going to show you all how I am going to make the imitation crab cream cheese egg rolls. Look how good they are looking, y'all. Oh, they are so tasty as well. So I got this recipe off of Facebook and I decided to go ahead and give it a try. So let's begin. So I have my bowl here. I have some imitation crab meat, and I have some egg roll wrappers. Then I have some Worcestershire sauce and some onion powder. I also have a paprika, and then I have the garlic salt. Yes. And I also have Philadelphia original cream cheese, and then I have some green onions. So let's get this started. So I am going to take the crab meat out of the package, and y'all make sure you cut up your crab meat fine. Make it as fine as you can possibly make it. So this is what I'm about to do. I have my knife and I am getting ready to cut up the crab meat. So stay tuned and enjoy some music. So I did go back later in this video to cut up my crab meat some more. I did go back to cut it up some more because I still see some lumps of it. Next, I am going to cut up my green onions with my kitchen scissors. And I am going to stir the crab meat and the green onions together. Try to mix it all in there together. And y'all, I am going to add the rest of the ingredient into the mixture. I am using cream cheese, which I had before. So I'm using half of the old cream cheese that I had and then half of the newer cream cheese that I have. So I am going to try to mix all that in together, and make sure that your cream cheese be out, because if it get cold, it's going to be kind of hard to mix, you know, the ingredient together. So make sure you leave your cream cheese out in order for it to be soft and you can work better with it. I am using 1 tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce. I have a hard time, y'all, trying to pronounce that name. So I'm also using 1 tablespoon of the onion powder, 1 tablespoon of the garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of the paprika seasoning. Yes, 1 tablespoon. And I'm also going to add a little sprinkle of accent seasoning so that it can taste even better. So right now I am trying to incorporate all the ingredients together. So I had to use I guess, my chopper spoon in order to try to mix up that, mash up that cream cheese. Now I'm using my spoon, so I got them all mixed together. Got it all mixed together, and now I am going to take out my egg roll wrapper. Take out your egg roll wrappers and make sure that you have one sheet, because you can have another sheet that can be stuck. So make sure you have one sheet. So here I'm taking a bunch out, and I am taking one sheet. And I'm looking and see to make sure that I have one sheet, because you can't have one to be stuck. And here I am taking out a spoonful of the crab meat ingredients, adding it into my egg roll. And then you're going to take some water on your finger, stick your finger in some water and kind of, dab it on the edge of your egg roll, because that's going to help it to hold better. So I'm rolling it just as if it's in an envelope shape. Okay, and then I'm adding more water to it so it can stick, and then I'm rolling it better with my hands to make sure that it sticks. So continue to watch the rest of the video, and I will be right back. Enjoy the music. I am finished rolling up my egg rolls, and here they are. They're all rolled up. I have some hot vegetable oil already hot, and I'm getting ready to place the sealed end in first. And I'm checking them to see if they're brown. Make sure that they are golden brown before turning them over. They say leave them in like 5 minutes, but I think 5 minutes will be too long to fry them, because you don't want to burn your egg rolls. So I left them in no more than maybe 3 minutes to make sure that they're golden brown. So this is the vegetable oil that I'm using. You can use any brand of vegetable oil. And so I'm checking my egg rolls, and I'm making sure that they're golden brown, because I don't want them too dark, and I don't want to burn them either. So I'm just leaving them in for a few more seconds before turning them over. So in the meantime, I am going to cook something to go with our egg rolls, and it is the garlic chicken pasta. I love this stuff, y'all. So inside the pouch, you're going to get chicken already in a separate pouch, and then you're going to get its sauce. And what I am going to add into the garlic chicken pasta, I'm going to add butter and pepper. Butter and black pepper, that is. Y'all, this stuff is so good. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. It is the garlic chicken pasta. Yes. And I added a little water. And here's my butter, which I am going to place over into my pasta. And I also forgot to mention, within the pasta, it is broccoli and carrots. Broccoli and carrots. So I added my butter, and now I am going to give it a stir and just let it sit for a while. You don't have to cook this for a long time, but just to heat it up and get it boiling, and that's it. That's it, and it's cooked. And I am going to place a lid over this and just put it on low heat. And by the time I get through cooking my egg rolls, it will be finished. I am checking on my egg rolls. I did turn them over as I was, working on my pasta. And I'm going to add more in. So I am now through cooking my egg rolls, and here they are, y'all. Don't they look so good? Oh my goodness, look how good they are looking. So let me cut one open and show you all what they look like on the inside. Okay. Look at all that goodness, y'all. Look at the imitation crab meat. Look at the green onions. Oh my goodness, y'all. And it smells so good too, y'all. Oh, they smell so good. I'm just trying to show it up closer, what they look like. And my camera just blurred a little bit, but you can see how it looks on the inside. Y'all, once you taste these, oh my goodness, they are so good. So good. And here they are. I just sprinkled some more green onions on top here just to make it look even better, so that you can get hungry and fix you some. Okay. So here I am, y'all, ready to take a bite. Y'all should try it. It was hot, y'all, but I just couldn't hardly eat it because it's hot. So I'm letting y'all know now it is good. It's good, y'all. This is my first time fixing this meal. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. It's hot. I should have waited, but I just couldn't wait. But this is my first time making it, and it turned out perfect. And so I went on and added my pasta in the plate, y'all. blowing it off so that I can taste it, and it is good, y'all. You need to try it. Yes, the garlic chicken pasta along with my crab egg rolls. Yes, y'all, I was hungry. I just couldn't wait to dig in. But the egg rolls, y'all should try it. Y'all should try it. And you know, you do that little happy dance when things are so good. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing my happy dance. So y'all, thank y'all so much for stopping by. Please come back, because you never know what I may have for you guys. Someone wanted me to do a cooking video, so here it is. Here it is. And there will be more. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment. Bye.